With great features that give you flexible cooking, this amazing dual-fuel cooker from Canon by Hotpoint is the ideal addition to your kitchen. Both ovens have a B rating for energy efficiency. The main electric fan oven has a large 65-litre capacity, whereas the second oven has a medium-sized 35-litre capacity. There are 4 gas burners on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The electric fan oven provides a fast, effective and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. Now you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. This model's top oven can be used as a conventional oven and a grill. Simply select the conventional function to spread heat from the top and the bottom of the cavity, or select the grill function for an intense blast of heat from the top. So it's great when making pasta bakes, as you can cook it with the conventional function and then afterwards create a beautiful crispy cheese topping. If you're looking for a dual-fuel cooker with great features to give you flexible cooking, this amazing model from Canon by Hotpoint is an ideal choice.